India's first hornbill conservation project has been launched, and this has been launched in the regions of Tamil Nadu, the Annamalai tiger area. And these hornbills are really important because they are protecting the farmers of the forest. Now they safeguard these seed dispersal activities. Now we have seen that hornbill is considered as endangered, and nearly 1 crore initial funding has been allotted to conserve the critical conservation project. Now most importantly, we are focusing on the species which are found in the Western Ghat, but we are also focusing on other species. Now there are of all 9 species, of which 4 of the species, which are all native to Western Ghats, are the ones that are in focus, and these are the great hornbill, Malabar piped hornbill, Malabar grey hornbill, and Indian grey hornbill. And the effort has been to conserve these 4 native species. Now Annamalai Tiger Reserve has been chosen because it is home to tigers, elephants, lions, which are actually very important part of the biodiversity of Annamalai, and this region has a huge proportion of hornbill population as well. And then Annamalai Tiger Reserve has a very good track record to protect the other endangered species in the previous journey that we have seen, and it also has a very good conservation infrastructure setup. Now when we focus on conservation of hornbills, there are 3 important things that we would take into account. One is the monitoring of the habitat, the nesting areas, and checking the impact of climate change on these species. Then planting the crops that would be, or the food sources that are native to hornbill population. These are mainly the canarium and fig. So restoring these forest areas become really important for conserving the hornbill population. And finally, engaging people and community awareness would be again equally important. So there are 4 collaborators for this project: the Wildlife Institute of India, the IUCN Hornbill Specialty Group, Nature Conservation Foundation, and Salim Ali Center for Ornithology and Natural History from Goa. So these 4 together would be working to ensure a scientific based approach to conserve the hornbill population, and this would be a pioneer step because this is the first of its kind of hornbill conservation project that has started in India. Very important for your upcoming prelims. We will be definitely covering more important topics. Thanks for joining.